Welcome back, pressure cleaners, soft washers alike. Wanted to show you a new soft wash trolley to the range. Wanted to talk you through it and show you directly from the SH gun, the application for doing flat work, and we'll also put it on to a telescopic pole to be able to shoot SH soaps and surfactants at height. So you can see this particular trolley in a couple of variations or a couple of sites, ionicsystems.com.au, but take a moment to put into your diary the new launch of bluetongueindustries.com.au website that's going to hit, and that's going to be our mega superstore in the next coming weeks. So all this and more, you can see many other videos and genres under YouTube, under Blue Tongue Industries. But this particular soft wash trolley is an all-in-one compact design. Comes with a charging system which is 240 volt to plug into the front of the 12 volt battery configuration. So you can see the battery that is neatly hidden under the front of the trolley. So it's a 45 litre capacity tank and very well balanced. A powder coated steel frame on a good configuration with handle and trolley arrangement and a hose collection guides that you're able to stow the 9 meters of hose. A gun that'll suit SH and quarter quick connect fittings at the end. So the quarter holding configuration will carry 3 nozzles. We have a soap nozzle, a 15 degree and 40 degree nozzle assembly. The 45 litre storage tank can be drained from underneath. So once you've finished the task and you need to remove excess fluid, or you wanted to flush the system, you're able to drain that SH soaps and surfactants to be able to flush the pump. So it is powered by the Everflo pump, which is the 8.3 litre a minute pump. And you can see that there. Also has a inlet filter which is readily accessible. So if you've got any dirt and debris in the tank, and you can see that inlet filter which is easily serviced on the front of that Everflo pump. 8.3 litres a minute at 70 psi. The Everflo pumps, as you know, and you can pick up all our other videos and all the soft wash equipment under those few different sites, which are ionicsystems.com.au, and you can see that under soft wash equipment here in Australia. But it'll all be duplicated very shortly and much bigger on the Blue Tongue Industries website. So to run you through the pump operation, so there's a simple on-off switch which we can see, and I can toggle from this position here. So the on-off switch actuates the pump, and the pump operates on a pressure switch. So until we actuate the gun, the pump is going to be satisfied and ready to fire in that configuration. The cartridge assemblies can be bought separately. So as we know, anything to do with SH I classify as a consumable. So at a certain point in time with any pump, we will have replacements required and failures, and those cartridge assemblies can be changed quickly, keeping the cost down and not replacing the whole pump. So it's a couple of bolts to pull that cartridge assembly off, and away we go. So we'll do some flat work running. So the quarter quick connect on the end. So I'll give you a visual indication on a simple soaping nozzle. So you can see from that, when you have a look at the amount of fluid coming out, we've only got water here today, but you can see that it is quite substantial. So if you're doing remote work, stair work, flat work, concrete driveways, decks, that's going to be quite adequate. And you've got, as I said, 8.3 litres a minute at 70 psi. So that's the soaping nozzle. If we flick over to a 15 degree, and these are standard pressure cleaning tips, you can see there the pressure coming out from that particular assembly on the Everflo pump. So quite substantial, and if we were to put pencil jets in that configuration, we'd be able to shoot height with this particular soft wash trolley, which is new to our website, new to our business. We'll flick over to some high reach soft washing poles and show you this particular system at height to reduce that overspray. So we've now set up with a Hydra telescopic carbon water-fed pole. So we've adapted that to a dispersal end. In these cone ends you can have various nozzle configurations. So we have a soaper end, which is a standard pressure cleaning nozzle. There's also cone ends. So these can be opened up or decreased to suit the application, but we need to keep the whole system in an equilibrium to keep the pressure switch happy. And you'll note too in this configuration with the restricted 5mm PU hose that we are going to operate off the pressure switch to keep that pressure and flow happening, and you'll hear the pressure switch cut in and out. This is a 32-foot Hydra water-fed pole, so super lightweight, which will allow us to put solution and application at height. So to reduce that overspray, look after number one, which is you, the operator, and keep that SH, soaps and surfactants, as far away from you as possible. So we'll turn it on, operating on the pressure switch. We can see there the amount of application. So that is off a nozzle assembly. So when we get in, you can see the amount of solution flowing there, which is quite substantial. So when we put that up at height, you'll be able to see different arrangements that we can do for on-off control. Can be simple taps and ball valves, so they can be easily controlled and manipulated as required to be able to get the solution where we need it. And if we're operating at a distance away from the unit and not having to turn it on, we can do that with simple ball valves and pressure switches. So you can see there we're only spraying water, but if you wanted to have a look at the amount of solution we are putting on, so you can see that from a perspective, if we're carrying out a soft wash and we wanted to reduce that overspray, we're getting a reasonable amount of coverage from this particular system. And so just wanted to show you this different configuration to be able to use the system either from a lance for doing flat work or from a pole assembly to do those high reach difficult tasks where housing and units and terraces might be quite close to each other, and we need to get in and get at height and get that soap and surfactant and that SH into those areas without worrying about the drift in the environmental conditions. So I hope this has been a bit of a good overview on the new softwash trolley to the range. Once again, a couple of different locations, onyxsystems.com.au, new mega sites about to hit, and check out all our other videos on all the different genres on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.